Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to create website in ASP.NET. So add here Visual Studio that is open. Now here after first I'm going to create one project. So add here file, new, add here project. Now at this place going to select ASP.NET Web Application, click next. Here give the project name. So add here giving website. Now hereafter click on create. Now at this place empty it's selected. Now here web form MVC API. Now hereafter click on create. And here you can see the project created with the name website. Here going to cancel. Now here after the first step we need to create add here one master page. So add here right click on the project. Now here after click on or select add option and here click on new item. Now scroll down. So at this page you can find web or form master page and here giving the name main. You can write any meaningful name. So main dot master, click on add. Now here you can see main dot master page that added. Now hereafter, so I already written this all code, so I'm going to copy from the doc and pasting, just control V. Now hereafter go to design. So at here you can see this is the designing. Now hereafter, so this is now hereafter the next step is we need to create and here one or waveform with the name index. So add here right click on the website, here add. Now here new item. Now web it's selected. Scroll up, here you can see a web form with master. Now add here, let's give meaningful name. Index, click on add. Now here main selected, click on OK. So at this place we need to do some modification. The first line we don't need to change, and here master page main.master language C# it's selected. Now here inherited website. So add here they already written the codes for the index page. Copy and just remove from first line, paste. So and here you can see I added some images. Okay, and here this is the paragraph, and here this is header website to welcome to website, and here this is on the center, and here source one image. So in the desktop that I have a folder with the name image. So let's do one thing. I'm going to put this image folder inside our website. So add here image folder. Here you can see there are lots of images. And if you want to see the education image, let's go here, press E, and here you can see this is the education image. So education image, let's open with Paint. Now here after the next important thing, so add here index page all the content and your title it's added. Now here after the next thing is we need to add at here about us. So at here this is all those things about the about us. So at here right click and here add new item. Again web and here web form and here give at this place about. Now press OK. Main about this place that's the created and here let's copy this code and here remove Control V. So add here header tag S3 image src about.png and here this is paragraph S3 tag that I have taken. Let's add here services. So next is services. So add here right click on website and here after add now go to new item web and here web form with master. Change the name services. Now here after click on add main master selected. Now here we need to add the coding. So at this place from add here till from the table and here paste at this place. Now add here going to add the title. So add here the title is about services. So add here table has some issue. So we need to keep at here closing of table. Now everything okay. Now here after that I just added 3 web form. So let's check at here. Right click on index and here view in browser. So at here welcome to web page and here this is the home ASP.NET education for all. This is all those things. Now here after about so it's working better. This is content. Now here this all those things here header services page that I added. This the services. This all those things and here framework. It's all working. But to know any privacy so that it's coming this kind of error. Now here after next is we need to add a privacy policy. So privacy policy. Now here right click and here after add and here new item. Wait and here going to write privacy. Main. Now here let's copy this code. So it's go app content copy and paste. So I'm going to remove. Now there is any problem and here the next to add here go to main and here designer. So next to sign in and sign up. So about the sign in and sign up that I already discussed the code. So sign up you can check this video how to create registration form in ASP.NET and about the sign in I will discuss in my next video. So add here about to sign in and sign up. So add here let's go to project. So add here this is registration form. So this of code that I'm going to copy. Now here this three going to copy and pasting in the way. So it's a registration form that is added. Now here after signing. So at here this is a login. Now at here you can see login page also added. So I think all part that has done. Okay, so if you want to see the contents related to login, here you can see this is, and here you can see this is the designer of the login. Like that, you can see the registration and here designer of the registration page. Now here after, let's right click on the index and here at this page view in the Firefox and project is now loading in the browser. Now this is the home page. Here about us and here services and here privacy policy, it's working. Sign up. So if I click on the sign up, getting some kind of error message. Okay, Omni or this kind of error message that I'm getting. So right here this kind of error message that I'm getting. So what we need to go to web config and here we need to add this validation on brush topic whatever. Let's save and here close and here after go to browser refresh. Now here registration page that open like this. If you want to open the login, so right here you can log in, give the username and password, sign in and here login successfully. Okay, now here after for log for new year you can fill the all form to for the sign up and here after this is privacy and here services and here home, this all those things let's display. Now here after let's go to name and here go to source. Now this is and here about, so here you can see about .aspx is there. So it must be matched. Whatever the name at this place, it must be matched. Now here after this is so no I didn't change on at here context press order and here this is the footer. So there are already images so at here at this place that I used. So index at here if you go on the index. So at here this is the title and here I'm using edu. So here you can see uh, just press E. So here you can see if you double click here you can see this is the edu page is there. Now here after laptop, so just press F. Here you can see this is the laptop page. So you need to add this images. So after that you can easily use. Now here I used services. So here you can see this is the services image. Now here there is no any images, privacy policy, no any images, login. So about the login page that I will discuss in my next video, and here this is the registration that I already discussed, and here about, so I use about the picture. So here you can see about.png, so that must be, so this is the image that I'm using for the about. So write this all code. After that you can easily create one simple website using ASP.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video.